If you're looking for the snacks to make this weekend, come close. This sausage bread roll is the one for you. It came out so nice, very delicious, and very soft. Also, it's very easy to preserve. If you didn't finish it the day you made it, you can always put it in the freezer and microwave anytime you need to eat it. Now, let's begin. These are the ingredients you need in making the sausage bread roll. 260 grams of flour, 60 grams of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of yeast, 45 grams of margarine, 1 large egg, sausage, and of course water. Add in your sugar, your salt, and yeast into your sieved flour and make sure to mix well. Then in a different bowl, combine your egg and water, mix well, and pour into your dry ingredients. Now combine everything together. When it has all come together, you want to transfer to a clean work surface where you will knead. But before kneading, you're adding your margarine. Now you can start kneading. You'll find that the dough is a bit sticky. In this case, you can sprinkle flour on the work surface to make it less sticky, and then you continue to knead. You knead for about 15 minutes. If you have a mixer, I would advise you go for it. It makes your work a lot easier. When you're done kneading, you put this in a clean bowl and cover. You set it aside for about 30 minutes for it to rise. During this period, you can go ahead to saute your sausage or boil the sausage, whichever works for you. I prefer to saute mine, and that's what I'm doing here. When you are done, after 30 minutes, check on your dough. By now, it should have risen perfectly. You can see mine. Just go ahead to punch a hole through it. You just deflate the air in it. And then section into parts. I section mine into 6 parts, to 6 equal parts. You don't have to measure. You can just cut equally. And then take each sectioned dough and roll it into a rope, just the way I'm doing here. Wrap it around your sauteed or boiled sausage. Make sure to wrap well so that it doesn't come out. When you're done at the edge of the dough, make sure to pinch it. Then you do this with the remaining of the dough, wrapping around the sausage and pinching the edge so that it doesn't come off while baking. When you're done wrapping the old dough around the sausage, put on a clean parchment paper on your baking tray, and then you'll be covering this for another 30 minutes so that it can rise again. After 30 minutes, it should have risen. You can see how mine is. Yes. Now we're going to egg wash this the dough. This is to give it a glossy look while it bakes. So the egg wash is a combination of 1 egg and a tablespoon of water mixed together. After coating everything with the egg wash, you place in the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. But I would advise, because of oven differences, you can always check on your sausage to be sure that it is baking well. I made mine a little bit brown because I prefer it like that. You don't have to make it this brown. It came out very soft. Like, that was the main thing about it. The ingredients just worked well. It came out so soft, so nice, and very enjoyable. So bring out that sausage that has been in your freezer for almost a year now. I'm just kidding. Bring it out today and try out this sausage bread rolls. You would really love it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you so much for your support so far, and I'm really grateful. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to comment, like, share, and mostly subscribe. Please support this new channel, and I would also like that you try this recipe so that we can know how it worked for you. Well, thank you for sticking to the end of the video. Till we meet again. See you next time. Bye.